Chapter 5. Probability. Probability is used in our everyday lives and in business decision-making all the time. You might base your decision to call ahead for dinner reservations based on your assessment of the probability of having to wait for seating. A company may decide to switch suppliers based on their assessment of the probability that the new supplier will provide higher quality products or services. Probability is the way we measure our uncertainty about events. However, in order to properly use probability, you need to know the probability rules and the terms associated with probability. The basics of probability. In order to effectively use probability, it is important to understand key concepts and terminology. Some of the most important of these are discussed in Section 1, including sample space, dependent and independent events, and mutually exclusive events. Probabilities are assessed in three main ways: classical assessment, relative frequency assessment, and subjective assessment. The rules of probability. To effectively work with probability, it is important to know the probability rules. Section 2 introduces 9 rules, including 3 addition rules and 2 multiplication rules. Rules for conditional probability and the complement rule are also very useful. Bayes' theorem is used to calculate conditional probabilities in situations where the probability of the given event is not provided and must be calculated. Conclusion. Probability is how we measure our uncertainty about whether an outcome will occur. The closer the probability assessment is to 1.0 or 0.0, the more certain we are that event will or will not occur. Assessing probabilities and then using those probabilities to help make decisions is a central part of what business decision makers do on a regular basis. This chapter has introduced the fundamentals of probability and the rules that are used when working with probability. These rules and the general probability concepts will be used throughout the remainder of this text.